ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమ. ఓం నమ శివాయ. శ్రీరామదూత స్వామినే నమ. There is a power in the name Bhagavan Sri Ramadutta Swamiji. Just by saying his name, untimely deaths are prevented and poverty is eradicated. Bhagavan Sri Ramadutta Swamiji is the epitome of all powers, having devotion and faith by merely chanting his name or placing his picture in our homes. One can dispel all calamities and dangers, after which glorious victories will be bestowed upon. With his great spiritual power of penance, the Almighty, who can change one's destiny written by Creator Brahma and eliminates all obstacles and dangers, is Avadhuta Bhagavan Sri Ramadutta Swamiji. We are fortunate to receive the divine power, the Bhagavad Shakti, on Sunday, the 5th May, at Sri Ramadutta Swami Ashramam, Venugopala Nagar, Chevuru, Gudlur Mangalam, Prakasam District, AP. All are welcome. Shubham Shubham Shubhapradaha.